Do you want to throw a corporate event for the history books? I'm talking about a corporate event so good that your name will go down as the ultimate event hero in your company forever. And even better, do you want to learn how you can transform your event from an expense into a really profitable investment opportunity? One that will advance your company's goals regardless of what those goals are? And don't worry, you're not going to have to sell anything to anybody, unless you want to, of course. My team and I have over 10 years of experience creating unforgettable event experiences and executing badass corporate events. We've had some pretty impressive clients seek us out for our expertise during that time. Clients like Instagram, Adobe, JetBlue, Procter & Gamble, Mercedes-Benz, Microsoft, and thousands of other companies of all sizes. Not to brag, but we're pretty good at what we do. Through years of trial and error and firsthand experience seeing what works and what doesn't work, my team and I have been able to create a fail-proof, step-by-step formula to host legendary corporate events. And now we want to give that formula away to you for free right now. We're doing this by giving you access to something that we call the Badass Corporate Event Playbook. And all that you have to do to get access to that playbook is click on the button and tell us where to send it. Now, this playbook is only for people who are serious about getting amazing results from their corporate event. And the playbook is going to teach you everything that you need to do from step A all the way to step Z to make sure that you have massive success. First, we're going to teach you how to use your corporate event as a tool to advance your organization's goals, whatever those goals might be. Maybe it's recruiting, maybe it's a way to build relationships with clients, or maybe it's a way just to let your team get to know each other better, and so they're able to have a better sense of camaraderie. Whatever your goals are, your corporate event can be used as a phenomenal tool to make those goals a reality. By following our formula, your event will have a clear return on investment, or ROI, and the benefits that your company gains will far outweigh the cost of putting on the event. We'll teach you how to choose the perfect theme and branding elements, and then we'll teach you about how to keep your guests engaged and entertained throughout your entire event by using unique activities and experiences they probably have never seen before. And finally, we'll show you how to leverage your event to get free publicity and marketing for your company. Trust me, if you're serious about having an amazing corporate event, you'd be doing yourself a huge disservice by not getting your hands on this playbook. And it's easy. All that you have to do is click on the button below, tell us what email address you want us to send it to, and then we'll send it right over. Should be in your inbox in a couple of minutes. And make sure to check your spam folder. Sometimes it ends up there. With that said, let's click on the button and start planning.